Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be sharing all the secrets. Please donate. So the first secret is going to be all the way over there. We could just do this. Bitch. Right there. It's gonna take a while. It's right here. You can't jump on the tree, but you could climb. Or just make it'll make a really loud noise. Drift. Oh, you should. Okay, so the second secret is all the way over here, right beside this, the legacy map. There's only 3 secrets. If you teleport to the legacy map, you should be all the way in the old map. That's the new map, but this is another thing. Like, I think we get if you donated or something, but. And then right here is Among Us. Yeah, I think you would just have to donate to get to this spot, though. That's pretty much it.